Hello YouTube, welcome to Needs Repair Jimmy's Garage. I'm Jimmy. Welcome back to Needs Repair Jimmy's Garage. I'm Jimmy. Today I want to show you about this. This is air hose reel. I've already have another air hose reel, which is the, you see that one. I've already have that air hose reel you have seen, but why I bought another new this air hose reel? The reasons of why, when you have an air hose reel in your garage or in somewhere else, after using the air hose, you're going to rewind. That's the air hose by the air hose reel, but the people who is using the air hose reel would understand when it's the rewinding the air hose, but it's really annoying because of that's the normal air hose is, how can I say, there is the hole of the air hose, and when it's rewinding the air hose, it's going to stuck all the time because there is no guide. So I will show you the rewinding of my X air hose reel right now. So now I will show you pulling the air hose. It's okay, but when it's rewinding the air hose, I will let you see. You see this? It's stacked. Again, it's stacked. Why it's gonna be is there is no guide. How can I say that's the part? From here to here, there is no guide. I don't know how to say in English, but there is no guide. So when you pull the air hose and put it back, it's stuck because on the one hand side is always rewinding every time. The reasons of why the air hose is gonna be stuck is there is no guide, and they are rewinding every time they are going to left hand side or right hand side or center. So the hoses are rewinding and almost full of the left hand side or right hand side or center. So all the time I have to rewind the air hoses and going to like this. You have to shake it up. Shaking like this. Still, it's not gonna be finished like this. So I'm always annoying. So why I choose this air hose reel is there is, you see here, is a guide. They are, when it's rewinding, they are going to slide left, right, left and right, left and right, left and right. So that's the X one is only right hand side or only left hand side, so the hose is going to be stuck. But there is a guide here, so this guide is going to move the right hand and left hand, right and left, right and left, right and left when it's rewinding. So I choose this one. I bought this air hose reel by the Amazon, that made by Straight ART.15-0600. You can buy the Amazon now, so I'm going to write down the descriptions. And I bought this one about $80, but now it's $70, so it's discounted. And also I have already have this air hose reel and this blue hoses is going to round my garage. So I need to have some more air hose coupler. This is the joint of the air hose coupler. The air is coming from here and then going to distribute or divide it by 3. So I'm going to use this one and do this one and put around here. So please see that's the movie. The only one thing I'm not satisfied this product is about here. This bar is going to attach or put on the 2x4, but I cannot take it out these bar. So it's quite difficult to put these make these hole to the 2x4. Normally I can take it out this one to take it out this bar, but I can't find out how to take it out. So if someone has the same product of this air hose reel, please comment how to take it out. That's the bar, please. You see here, there is divided by 2, so I'm going to change by the 3. Okay, now I'm going to attach this air hose reel, new air hose reel, up to here. This time I'm using this screw bolt. This is the Phillips, and also there is you can use the ratchet. And the 2x4s are depths are about 40 millimeters. But in case I don't want to damage to the wall, so I using the 30 millimeters the bolt, the screw bolt. Reasons of why I using the Phillips and also the ratchet, because that's the reel. I told you that there is the bar for stop by the 2x4. It's not taken out, so I have to use this one because the air hose reel and with this bar, this width is very narrow. So I cannot use the impact driver to screw tighten. So I'm using this the snap-ons. This is the 10 millimeters with this bolt to tighten the air hose reel. So I will let you see. Okay, then I'm going to connect this hose coupler to divide it by 3/1. Okay, so let's see the moving. It stopped. And wow! Then I'm going to try to rewind the air hose. Can you see that the slider is going to move left and right? Did you see that the slider is moving left and right? That's the I want. The testing of the rewinding is stopped and stacked, but it's quite new one and I didn't use it. So it's very fresh. So the hose is really, how can I say, it's very tough and hard. And if I use the more time, they are rewinding much more faster, I think. So it's nice product. I will like it. So if you like this video, please push the like and don't forget the subscribe. See you next movie. I added a new pole for this new air hose reel, and I want to listen music and watch video around here, so I bought this speaker bracket and put on just underneath of the air hose reel. This bracket is also very nice. I love this product also. If you want the same one, please see my description. Thank you for watching and see you next movie.